So the next thing is to open the software. After downloading and installing, it's a click-through software, very easy to install. So once you just come over, you can see it over here, Videoscribe. So once you just click on it, and you can see it coming up, Videoscribe. So you just put in your email and password and just click on login if you want to start logging in, or if you want to create a new account, you can go ahead and create from here as well. Or if you want to work offline, you can as well work offline. It all depends on you. If you want to work offline, most of the features you will not have access to them. But if you want to see direct features, the most updated features in Videoscribe, then you have to enable working online and you just log in directly. So let's say you want to log in and work online. You just click on this and you start working with the software. So now we have logged in. So upon login, this is the screen that you're going to be welcomed with. So the first thing you need to notice is that you have the previously saved work or works that you are currently working on. You will see them all over here, listed over here. You can sort them accordingly from the newest to the oldest to lettered A to Z, or newest modified or oldest modified or thereabout. And over here, you can click on this to create a new scribe, or you can open an existing scribe that you have saved somewhere in your computer or in another external drive. You can just click on open and you navigate to that location where you saved it locally, and then you can be able to open. And then you can have recent scribe, which is what we have over here. Then you have online scribes. There are so many online scribes that if you want to have access to, you can also have access. And you have templates. If you want to work on templates, or you start working from templates, you can still see any of them, and then you can click to start working with templates, depending. So before we go any far, we need to understand the key settings in Sparkle. So you can access the key settings in Sparkle by just coming down here to the bottom left, and you can see this gear icon. You just click on it and you have access to the user preferences. So the first thing you need to notice is the language. Right now it's set to English. You can change language if you want, or you can manage your Sparkle account from here, and you can change the scribe defaults. For example, the transition time between one image to another usually is 1 second. You can change it to default, maybe 0.5, and you can change the pause time is 0.5 seconds, and then the maximum draw time is 8.0 seconds. And then you can have the image quality, usually 800 pixel. You can enable or disable the view extend tooltips and the timeline bar quick menu step. You can enable all this, but usually when I'm starting, I don't touch any of these. Depending on what I'm going to create, I can always play around with the default very nicely. So once you're done setting up, you can just hit on this tick icon to accept everything.